the income tax and the taxman really calling on Bharti Airtel. The IT department has slapped a 1,067 crore tax demand notice on India's largest telecom operator. IT department has sent the notice for non-payment of TDS on overseas operations. Gauri, good to have you on the show. Which are these overseas operations that are being sessionally spoken about, and what is Bharti saying in its defense at this point in time?
Supriya, as far as international operations are concerned, of course, Airtel is probably the only telecom company here which has the kind of presence across the world and it cannot be compared to any other. Over 17 countries is where Airtel operates in. It has Bangladesh and, of course, 15, 16 countries in Africa where it operates in. And as far as this TDS is concerned, it is on its international operations. Details are still awaited as to which are those specific countries where this TDS has been is really for. That those details are still awaited. As far as Airtel is concerned, the company is quite clear. It has said that it abides by all the applicable tax laws, and in fact the company said in its statement that the demand notice pertaining to applicability of withholding tax on payments made to international operators is not justified, and the company will take legal recourse against this. It's a massive tax notice that has been slapped against it, over 1,000 crore rupees. So company of course will take legal action against this notice.